Hi, my name is Mr. Johnson. Happy Friday and welcome to 8th grade science class. So for the past few weeks we've been looking at matter and energy, and today let's look at two forms of matter, two physical forms of matter, a liquid and a gas. Anybody know what the third form of matter is? Right, solid. Today though we're just going to look at liquid and gas. So the experiment, I'm going to go ahead and get started on it. I'm going to run the experiment. You guys watch, ask any questions, and then when I'm done, we'll run the experiment at your tables. First thing I'm going to do though is put on my PPE, which is personal protective equipment. You guys should all have those on your tables. So I'm going to put on my safety glasses. I do have something to protect my hands. This is a thermal glove, but I'm going to hold off until we start the heating portion of the experiment. So at your table you should have test tubes, water, Bunsen burner, and a scale. So you've got your lab data sheet. I'm going to take my test tube with a lid. Your scale should be ready, but if not, go ahead and zero the scale. Alright, and you're going to record that number on your data sheet. Then you're going to take your water, 5 milliliters in your test tube. It's marked, 5 milliliter line. And then you're going to come over here, weigh it with the water in it, record it on your data sheet, and here's the fun part. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my thermal glove, take my Bunsen burner. Doesn't have to be on very high. Grasp the test tube with your test tube clamp, and you're just going to wave it back and forth. Does anybody know what temperature water boils at? Right, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And actually, the water won't get hotter than 212 degrees Fahrenheit. What will happen is the heat will excite the atoms, and the thermal energy will actually break those bonds between the oxygen and hydrogen and turn the water into water vapor or a gas. So you've also, on your tables, you've got a stopwatch, and as soon as this starts boiling, it's not wanting to cooperate. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay. As soon as it starts boiling, you're going to start your stopwatch.